Hello, folks. Welcome back. Now, one thing I wanted to cover in this lecture was remember, like we were actually removing all these views and then ripping all these views, then adding them back, which is not the best practice, but in this case, it's gonna be okay because the interface builder will call this setup buttons only the very first time, right? Whenever the properties are set in the storyboard. So it's a one-time deal, but it's normally not the best idea, but it's okay for this particular use case. All right, going back there. Now, our idea is to actually not just show these red buttons, but to show actually the stars, right? Let's change this back to 5 and 5 first. And then, so now, actually, so if you go to this page, you can get these star images, or if you have any of your own, just get them, use those. Doesn't matter. So I have already those images, so I'm going to just use them. This is empty, fill, highlighted, and fill. What you could do is you could basically go to the assets here, right? And just include a new folder here. So new folder, let's name it, just double click on it, settings, controls, settings, images. Then click plus on here, new image set, put here, take the image empty star, put into, this is for iPhone Retina, which is iPhone 7. Then let's give it empty star. I think that's what they give it here. So let's give the name of empty star. And then we'll do the same for rest of these. Plus and plus. And that's set. Highlighted star. Then click here. Then plus. It's filled star. Okay. Cool. Now we actually want to use these, right? So we want to, in the setup buttons, we want to actually create each of these on the UI image. So navigate to the setup buttons and then just about this for loop. So what we need is we need to create an UI image out of this UI assets or assets that we have, and then we want to give this the bundle because remember the interface builder actually builds this, and then for it to build, it has to know that it is coming from the asset, and then asset catalog, and then from there then it can get access to the asset catalog and look for the bundle. That's why we need a bundle. So in the setup buttons right here, just define the bundle, right? So let's say bundle equals bundle for type self, then for type of self. Now we have bundle. Now we just need to create each of these. Fill star, select, so it's a UI image, right? UI image from bundle, so you have to give it a name string. So we have it as fill star. It has to match exactly what you created. Star. It's coming from bundle, right? It's compatible with type collection. Compatible. This is another variable that's expected. back dot rate collection. So this is all a part of the bundle. It needs to know how to create this UI image. Let's put in its own initial value. This is bundle. Alright, so we have to do the same for all the other ones. So I will end this lecture here, as you know, and because we haven't reached. And then I'll continue with the next lecture, the rest of the video the next one. Thank you so much for watching.